Hello everybody! Thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from StampWithShar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. It's Monday, you guys, which means it's Casing the Caddy Monday. However, Valentine's Day is on Thursday, and I wanted to get these adorable little projects out to you. And I couldn't decide which ones to create, so I figured we'd do all three. Now, if you guys haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can do so by clicking that red subscribe button, or you can click that little girl that sits in the corner of your screen. Either way, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Any of the supplies that I used in today's video, you can find it in the description below. If you click on that, that will take you on over to my online store. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you over on my website, www.stampwithshar.com. So I hope you'll head on over there and go and have a look. We're going to flip the camera and we're going to get started on today's projects. So this is a close-up of the projects we're going to be creating today. They're super easy, you guys. So I'm going to show you how we create these projects. I'm going to set these off to the side. We're going to start with these guys. Now, I picked these up at the dollar store and they're little bubbles, and I grabbed a package of red ones and a package of pink ones. And I figured I'd give the boys the red and the girls the pink. So, I have Flirty Flamingo as well as Grey Granite, and these pieces are cut at 1 1/4 by 7 inches. I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Trimmer, and we need to do a bit of scoring. We are going to score this at 5 1/4. I can now come with my little bubbles, and I'm going to put them into these little baggies. I have a stapler. I'm just going to staple that. You're going to take some hearts. Now, I went ahead and ran that through my Big Shots. And I've got some Flirty Flamingo. And I'm just going to stamp for you, my friend. I've got Multipurpose liquid glue. You're going to stick some liquid glue there, and then you are going to attach that. So easy. I came in with some pegs. I grabbed a little peg, and I just added that at the top. Such a cute project, you guys. Super easy. So that's number one. Our next project are these little guys right here. So I have my Stampin' Trimmer, and this piece measures 2 inches by 8 inches, and we need to score this at 4 1/2 and at 5. You can now burnish the score lines. I'm now going to bring in my envelope punch board, and I'm going to line these two pieces like so, and I'm going to take this piece as my guide, and I'm going to line that up at the 1 inches. I'm going to punch it. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to punch it again. I'm now going to round these corners. I'm using some designer series paper, and this is from the All My Love. Now this piece measures 1 3/4 by 1 1/2, and again you're going to round the top 2 corners. You can now bring in, I've got my multi-purpose glue, and you can now attach this piece through the front like so. I've got a little bit of tape, when I can get it working. Right. And I'm just going to stick a little piece of tape there. And then I'm going to bring that up, and I'm going to finish it off with a little square knot. Just like so. And that, my friends, is our second project. Super easy. And for our third project are these adorable little boxes that slide up and house the little bubbles. And this piece measures 2 inches by 5 1/2, and we need to do some scoring. And we are going to score this all the way around at 5/8 of an inch. So that's a 1/2 inch, and then 2 tick marks is 5/8 of an inch. And you're going to score that all the way around. And that is the base of the box. For the wrap of the box, this piece measures, let me double check. This piece measures 4 1/4 by 3 1/2, and we need to do some scoring. So we need to score with the 3 1/2 inches along the top. We are going to score this at 3/4 of an inch. We're going to score this at 1 3/8. So just before the 1/2 inch, 2 tick marks before the 1/2 inch. We're going to score this at 2 1/8. And we're going to score this at 2 3/4. We are now going to cut up on all these score lines, stopping at that horizontal score line. I'm now going to miter these 4 little tabs. And we can now fold and burnish all our score lines. I'm now going to take some multi-purpose liquid glue, and I'm going to add glue on all 4 of these little tabs, closing my box. You're now going to set this off to the side and give it a few minutes to dry. You're then going to add your bubbles. You're going to come in with your wrap. And you are going to add your wrap. Holding it for a few seconds. super cute, you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. That way you guys don't miss my next video. And I hope everybody has a wonderful week ahead. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.